Under the hood, the Honor Win RT is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset built on a 3nm process. The octa-core CPU features two high-performance Orion V2 Phoenix L cores clocked at up to 4.32 GHz and 6 efficiency-focused Orion V2 Phoenix M cores running at up to 3.53 GHz. Graphics are handled by the Adreno 830 GPU, which should deliver top-tier gaming and graphical performance. Combined with UFS 4.1 storage and up to 16 GB of RAM, this setup is clearly aimed at flagship-level speed and responsiveness. Memory and storage options are generous and well thought out. There is no card slot, but internal configurations include 256 GB with either 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, and a massive 1 TB option paired with 16 GB of RAM. This range allows users to choose a configuration that fits both their budget and performance needs, whether they prioritize storage space, multitasking power, or both. For power users who store lots of media or run demanding apps, the higher-end variants will be especially appealing. On the camera side, the Honor Win RT keeps things practical yet capable. The dual rear camera system features a 50-megapixel wide sensor with an f2.0 aperture, dual-pixel PDAF, and optical image stabilization, paired with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera offering a 112-degree field of view and autofocus. Features like HDR, panorama, and LED flash are included, and video recording goes up to 4K at 60 frames per second, with gyro-based electronic stabilization for smoother footage. Honor Win RT is shaping up to be one of the most exciting Android phones heading into early 2026, and from a tech enthusiast point of view, this device clearly aims to push boundaries rather than play it safe. Officially announced on December 26, 2025, with an expected release on January 1, 2026, it comes in with a solid 225-gram build and an 8.3mm thickness that balances a premium in-hand feel with serious hardware ambitions. It runs Android 16 paired with MagicOS 10, offering a modern software foundation right out of the box, and with storage options reaching up to 1 TB and RAM going as high as 16 GB, it is clearly designed for users who demand speed, multitasking, and long-term usability. Before we go deeper, make sure you subscribe and like the video so you do not miss future deep dives into upcoming smartphones like this one. Now, continuing on, the Honor Win RT supports GSM, HSPA, LTE, and full 5G connectivity, ensuring it is ready for current and next-generation networks. Dual nano-SIM support adds flexibility for work and personal use, and the built-in cooling fan immediately signals that Honor is targeting performance-focused users who push their devices hard with gaming, multitasking, or intensive apps. This is not just a phone built for casual scrolling, but one meant to handle sustained workloads. The design and durability story here is equally impressive. With dimensions of 163.1 by 76.6 by 8.3 mm, the phone offers a large footprint without feeling overly bulky, especially considering what is packed inside. It carries IP68 and IP69K ratings, meaning it is dust-tight and water-resistant, even against high-pressure water jets, and can survive immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. That level of protection puts it firmly in flagship territory and makes it suitable for users who want peace of mind in demanding environments. The front-facing camera is equally impressive, featuring a 50-megapixel sensor with an f2.0 aperture. It supports 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, making it well-suited for high-quality selfies, video calls, and content creation. Stereo speakers handle audio output, enhancing media consumption and gaming, although there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. Connectivity is strong with Bluetooth 6.0 and support for advanced codecs like aptX Adaptive, aptX Lossless, LHDC5, Auracast, and ASHA, along with full multiband GPS and NFC support. Battery life is another major highlight, thanks to a massive 10,000 mAh silicon-carbon lithium polymer battery. This capacity is well above average and should translate into excellent endurance even with heavy use. Charging is handled by 100W wired fast charging, which should significantly reduce downtime, and there is also 27W reverse wired charging, allowing the phone to power other devices when needed. This combination makes the Honor Win RT especially attractive for users who rely heavily on their phone throughout the day. Overall, the Honor Win RT positions itself as a powerful, feature-packed flagship with a focus on performance, display quality, durability, and battery life, all at an expected price of around €330, which is surprisingly competitive given the specifications. With color options including black, white, and blue, and a clear emphasis on cutting-edge hardware, this phone is set to make a strong impression when it launches. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on devices like the Honor Win RT, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.